video, we move to the last part of the animation within the Manim building block and discuss the tools examples on how to transform an object to another object. Our first example we have learned before and used that in sample before, transform. Secondly, we want to see how you can maybe rotate, roll, and flip with a certain different transformation approach. And since this thing is our building block, but there's no much knowledge need to mention, I will make that together within this video. So after this one is we will fully finish this tutorial part. So let's go to our demo first. So since there's are two samples, I will create based on our video. So first is 0, 2, 3 and make that as 1, and at the same time is I will put is 0, 3, 2. So and let's use this first. So possible transform one object to another object. So what's that transform means is here. Let's read that is first we have our background color. This is we haven't learned this camera, but later on we will learn that, and we will have our square for a name that to M1 and another rectangle to M2, and then this shift. So let's look at. So you can see is we make our square to our rectangle. So that is the thing is we haven't yet tried before. So let me create our file in 2.3-1. So here is the example transform.py. So from Manim, Manim, import everything, and then let's make a class example transform scene, and then def construct self. And let's not do this self camera first. Let's just do the key function. So M1 is the square, set color red. M2 is the rectangle. So we're starting from the lines that we understand. So rectangle, even we don't use that before, but that is a very clear, it's just our type of the shape. Also, right? Maybe I put that blue, so we will see how that will also transform and rotate. 0.2. You can use pi divided by 3 or something. So then let's play that using the transform. Transform we learned before is 2 argument, from and to. So with this, we should be able to make that transform. So let me go to, and then so Manim PQL and example transform. Let's create our package. So here you can see is our comments. So there's no effect for that, but we will try to put that. What's that mean? Camera looks like, but we should already have one image and create our animation. You can see so from red square to blue rectangle, and they have this gradually. So if I make here, I put that here. So you can see that is from red to blue. Then what's this one? So self camera dot background. color. So if I put this green, maybe I use green B. So what's this looks like? Camera. So it just means we give a camera or type of those light color. Yeah, that is the fine. It's like our background color. So camera, so it's like this scene. So I will leave that. So that is the first one, and I will go to the second one. So to transform this first sample is we already practiced several times. The second one is to explain the transform function. Actually, that is the maps point from the previous loop M object to the point of the next object. This might result in strange behavior when the dots of one object are arranged clockwise and the other is arranged counterclockwise. So that means when you transform it's in another order. And then this we will use this flip function and reposition the point where this row function of this num. So let's look at what that means. So you can see, so flip. So flip is the left and the right is they just have two parts. So let's example of the rotate. Let's create rotation. So from Manim import everything. So class rotation and def construct self. So we put a self give our color. So I copy this one. So that means is I can control the scene's color background. So I will use this green B and MA. So it's the square set color. So left is red. So red shift to left, then this shift to left one unit. So I will have this come to here. So what's this? So I will leave that. So that is M2A. So go to right and change that to blue color. And I will, that is the square. Now let's create MAB, M1B, M2B. Then that is not the square, it's the circle. Circle. So we have these four position shapes. Let's do this if I directly use the transform M1A to M1B. Another transform, so you remember is the order of the animation. It's just starting from left to right. So that means we run the first and